Okay, we like to go over one last thing here, and it's not very often this happens, but it does come up from time to time, and that is certain electrical failures with the lift. These are very reliable lifts, and that's why MoveMobility has partnered with Braun to provide them in our vehicles to provide our clients with the best experience. However, from time to time, things do happen, and the lift is smart enough to realize, hey, something is wrong. I need to protect the clients and the wheelchair occupants of the lift. And what may happen is a fuse may blow and the lift will stop working. Now, there's the main lift breaker in the front of the vehicle in the battery tray below the driver's feet that may need resetting, and there are a number of fuses in the lift box that may need replacing. And MoveMobility can help you and your handyman or service garage to identify which fuses may be blown or other electrical issues, and we'd be happy to help you through that diagnosis process and get the lift back up and working for you.